Granite cleaners keep your countertops looking fresh and clean, and they're so easy to use. Before getting started, make sure you don't use abrasive cleaners or scrubbers, vinegar, window cleaner, bleach, powder, or citrus cleaners. Regular cleaning is the best way to care for and maintain your granite. You can pick up some specialty products from the Home Depot to do the job. Simply spray cleaner directly onto the surface, and then wipe it down with a clean, soft cloth. If you spotted a stain on your countertop, don't worry. You can get rid of it with a stain remover made just for granite. First, mix 2 parts powder with 1 part water until they form a paste. Then, gently apply it to the stain. Cover it with plastic wrap and poke a few holes for circulation. Let the paste sit on new stains for 12 hours. If you have an older stain, give it up to 24 hours. When it's ready, remove the plastic wrap. Scrape off and wipe the area clean with a soft cloth. Now your granite countertops are ready to shine, and thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.